Hey guys, this is Chris from Smile with another tips video. So one I get commonly asked this time of year is my AC fan is just not spinning. I'm just getting nothing out there. I'm getting airflow inside, but it's just lukewarm and the AC doesn't appear to be running. So when it comes to the fan not running, there are a couple electrical reasons. So what you would first want to do is make sure that you do have power coming through your system. On a normal AC here in Canada, we want 240 volts going through the system. You'd want to make sure that your contactor is closing and continuing to send the power to the fan. And if that's all good, then your eyes go to the capacitor. The capacitor is a little battery that adds some extra power, mainly for the compressor, but the fan uses it too. You would basically want to check between your fan terminal and your common terminal. Wires must come off, and of course the power needs to be off when you're testing this. But you would want to check between your fan and common terminal, and you would want your 5 microfarads, which tells you that the fan terminal on this capacitor is fully energized. And at that point, if the capacitor and the contactor are sending full power to the fan, then we know it's the fan itself has died. But if the capacitor or the contactor were not doing their job, then we could easily say it's one of those components causing the fan not to start.